Aloha and welcome to this video. My name is Tyler Mongan. I'm the president and co-founder of Haku Global. In this video, I want to share with you a really brief overview of Haku Global's Future Intelligent Leadership Foundation course. This foundation course is designed to help leaders understand and apply neuroscience-based strategic foresight. It also allows them to build the resilience, the flow mindset, balanced holistic intelligence to imagine, communicate, and lead teams toward desired outcomes in a complex and exponentially changing world. The foundation course is divided into 4 modules, which are delivered over a 1-month period. One module each week consists of a 2-hour interactive, live, online experience. Individuals are also given access to a resource hub and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals and experts from around the world. Module 1 is titled Leadership, Future Intelligence, and Future Readiness. In this module, we guide participants through the foundations of neuroscience-based future intelligence to help them understand its impact on foresight, strategy, innovation, sense-making, performance, and decision-making. So just like there is emotional intelligence and cognitive intelligence, there is also a future intelligence or a future quotient. Research is showing just like there are neurocorrelates for cognitive intelligence, there's also neurocorrelates for future intelligence. One thing that is missing from many foresight programs and also strategy and innovation facilitation sessions is helping individuals understand and apply cognitive and emotional capacity to think about the future individually and collectively in more optimized ways. Over the years of looking at neuroscience research and talking to experts about what happens in the brain when we think about the future individually and collectively, we discovered research by a man named Bernard Bars. In his research, he develops this idea of the global neuronal workspace of the brain, which basically describes the brain as a blank chalkboard in which information and content is entering and mixing together, allowing a future frame to emerge. We've taken his research and developed the 6 pillars of future intelligence. Pillar 1 is context, Pillar 2 is past, Pillar 3 is present, Pillar 4 is focus, Pillar 5 is values, and the Pillar 6 is future. During the program, we'll explain these pillars, allowing participants to understand their relevance to foresight, strategy, innovation, and how they can apply them in practical ways within their workspace. In Module 2, we help individuals understand the inner context, meaning the mindset or even our physiology, and how that shapes the outer content for foresight, strategy, and innovation. Through a proprietary futures intelligence cognitive architecture, we focus on the impact gradient the state of being has while we're navigating complex, uncertain, and exponentially changing futures. One of the key questions we ask is, what is the optimal inner context for future thinking? And we realize that different inner states results in different futures. Typically, we think if we have a team, we go through a process, we get a result, we're going to get the best result. But that might not be the case. If you take a team, you put them in the best, most optimal inner context for what you're trying to achieve, have them go through a process, you're going to get the most optimal results. As we shape our inner context, we also shape what's possible, probable, preventable, and preferred in the future. In Module 3, we explore the traditional approach to strategic foresight, past, present, and future orientation. Time orientation enables or constrains future possibilities. In this module, participants will explore their time orientation to expand their understanding of personal and collective bias, mental models, diversity, perception, information harvesting, and information processing, as well as how to anticipate futures. Our ultimate goal is to move people from a Chronos understanding of time to a Kairos understanding. Chronos is a linear, static, and objective understanding of time, whereas Kairos we move into a non-linear, dynamic, and subjective orientation to time. In Module 4, we explore an enhanced understanding of strategic foresight, adding focus and values to enable future intelligence. In this module, all the learning converges to build a future intelligent leadership through the integration of attentional and evaluation systems into time orientation to allow individuals to be more resilient and better navigate a future no matter what emerges. This integrative model of Foresight helps individuals apply the 6 pillars of future intelligence to develop the most optimal future frames for developing strategy, innovation, sense-making, and decision-making. Throughout the program, to anchor the theory and knowledge as it's developed, we'll be applying the information to a Haku Future Intelligence Design Canvas, allowing individuals to understand the practical application of the content they're learning. Some of the outcomes that participants can expect are learning the foundations of neuroscience-based future intelligence, developing the capacity for sustained high performance in complex, uncertain, and exponentially changing environments, being able to anticipate risk while creating new opportunities in the new normal, building resilient organizations that can adapt in any future that emerges, harnessing collective intelligence to inspire action towards a desired future, and becoming more future ready and scaling future readiness across the organization. Upon completion of the Future Intelligent Foundation course, individuals will enter the Haku learning ecosystem. They will be able to continue their learning journey as members of the Agora program, where they'll learn topic-specific application of future intelligence, and they can also work towards a Future Intelligent Leadership certification. If you have any questions, please reach out to Tyler Mongan or Kevin Reddy. We're excited to talk to you, and we hope to see you in the program.